that deep, nagging ache from back pain or sciatica, it really drives this huge online search for a quick fix.
Oh, absolutely.
And today, we're going to peel back the layers on a product you've probably seen all over your social media feeds: the Smooth Spine Triple Fusion Massager.
Yeah, and our mission here is to provide a clear consumer transparency investigation. We've looked at the marketing, the user reviews, and the science to compare what's promised with what's actually delivered.
And just before we jump in, we have to say this clearly. This is educational commentary, not medical advice.
Hmm.
If you're dealing with severe or ongoing pain, please, your first step should always be to consult a healthcare professional.
Always.
Okay, so let's start with the product's big promises. It's marketed as this three-in-one solution.
Right.
It combines traction, targeted massage, and heat therapy. And the claim is that just 15 minutes a day can bring real relief.
And they use some very strong language like realigning the spine or even rehydrating spinal discs.
Exactly. And the website, it looks very professional. They offer free shipping, a 90-day money-back guarantee, the whole package.
It's a very slick marketing machine, and they're using components that do have some basis in therapy heat, massage, to sell a much bigger structural promise.
So that's where we need to dig in. Let's talk about those three features.
Okay, so heat is great for superficial muscle relaxation. We know that.
Yeah.
And massage can help loosen tight knots. But that traction claim is really where we found a red flag in the medical literature we reviewed.
Why traction specifically? I mean, isn't it a legitimate treatment for some back issues?
It absolutely is, but context is everything here. When you hear rehydrating discs, that requires creating significant space between the vertebrae.
Okay.
In a clinical setting, that often means applying a sustained force, sometimes up to like 25% of your body weight on a specialized table.
Wow, okay.
The sources we looked at indicate that a non-powered at-home device like this one just doesn't generate that kind of consistent high-level force.
So what you're saying is it's more like a device that gives the feeling of a clinical treatment, but without the actual biomechanical force needed for a permanent fix, like disc rehydration.
That's a perfect way to put it. It's so important to manage expectations. The device is legitimate, it shows up, it works.
And people do feel better.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Users report positive things. Less stiffness in the morning, looser muscles, even better sleep. The temporary comfort is real for many.
But then, with so much positive feedback on those short-term benefits, you have to ask if that matters more than the medical proof. If people feel better, does it really matter why?
That's a fair question, and it certainly helps the company sell more units. But we have to talk about the transparency issues that come up during the purchase process itself.
Ah, okay. Tell us what buyers need to watch out for there.
Well, we saw a lot of reports of really aggressive upsells.
Like what?
Things like add-on supplements, accessories, even subscriptions that you might not notice. They're often in pre-checked boxes or kind of tucked away during checkout.
The classic dark pattern tactic.
Exactly. One person mentioned they accidentally signed up for a monthly product because they just missed a tiny pre-selected box. So you have to be really careful on that final checkout screen.
And that very attractive 90-day money-back guarantee, is it really risk-free?
That's another area where the fine print can trip people up. Some refunds were processed smoothly, sure.
If not all of them.
Not all of them. Others reported long delays or complications. And many were surprised to find out they had to pay for the return shipping themselves.
And for a device of this size, that could be pretty expensive.
It can be. It takes a real bite out of your refund and just makes the whole thing a hassle. The guarantee is there, but the process isn't always as simple as the ads suggest.
Okay, so to summarize, the final takeaway is the Smooth Spine Triple Fusion Massager seems to be a real product. It can genuinely offer muscle relaxation and short-term comfort for some people.
Thanks to the heat and massage.
But you, the consumer, have to stay vigilant about the marketing exaggeration, especially those claims about permanent fixes. And you should probably be prepared for some potential hurdles with that return process.
And that really brings us to the final thought for you to consider. When you're looking at products for chronic pain, how do you evaluate the true value?
Right.
What's the connection between that immediate perceived relief, the muscle relaxation, and the much bigger but medically unsupported claims of a permanent structural fix? That's the gap you really have to weigh against the price tag.